Hello, traders. Welcome to this week's Stock Profit of the Week update. We are going to discuss Apple AAPL stock. Why do we see Apple AAPL stock as the profit of the week? Apple's upcoming earnings report, set for release on Thursday, has investors highly focused on segment performance, especially for iPhone sales and services revenue. With the recent iPhone 16 launch generating less buzz than anticipated, many are curious about how these numbers might reflect customer sentiment and, ultimately, affect Apple's bottom line this quarter. This week's earnings for Apple are part of a pivotal moment in the market, with several large tech companies reporting at the same time. And adding to the mix, Friday's non-farm payroll report could signal broader economic trends. A weaker jobs report, for example, might prompt additional rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. This context adds a layer of interest in how Apple and other major tech stocks might respond to any new macroeconomic signals. As hardware growth continues to plateau, Apple's services segment has grown ever more vital to its financial outlook. From financial products to health initiatives and digital subscriptions, Apple has been diversifying its revenue streams. Investors will be watching closely to see how these efforts are playing out and whether Apple's strategy to expand beyond hardware is bearing fruit. This week, Apple finds itself among several major tech stocks under a microscope. With so much focus on performance, it's crucial to look beyond the initial stock reactions and dig into Apple's earnings report and conference call. Insights from these could reveal the company's strategic direction and help investors assess Apple's potential in the evolving tech landscape. Now, it's crucial to examine how the technical analysis has informed us. So let's go to the chart now. Let's take a look at Apple's daily chart. Apple has been moving lower over the past week, indicating a potential consolidation move. However, the price has been unable to break below the 20-period moving average, which creates a possibility for a rebound. Meanwhile, the stochastic indicator is moving lower, suggesting a potential move downward. For this week, we expect the stock price to move lower initially before potentially moving up as Apple releases its earnings report. Current support is identified at $224.27 and $216.06, while resistance stands at $237.05 and $246.61. If Apple breaks out of consolidation, it could test these resistance levels, offering potential profit opportunities. However, if the consolidation resolves in a downward move, the stock might revisit the support levels. As always, make sure to manage your risk effectively before making any trades. That's all for today. See you in the next video.